Hi everyone. As you know, when GoPro released GoPro Hero 9, they also released a new firmware, and with this firmware we were not able to use GoPro Hero 9 3.5mm external microphone adapter. So until now, actually until 17th of December, we were not able to use our own external microphones. When GoPro released a new firmware update on 17th of December, now we can use our own wireless microphones. And in this video I want to show you and I want to test if firmware update is really successful. As you see in this video, I am using Saramonic Bink 500 wireless microphone. Now I will disconnect this microphone and we will use internal microphone of GoPro Hero 9. Now I have disconnected Saramonic Bink 500 wireless microphone and I am using internal microphone of GoPro Hero 9. Sound and video recording by using internal microphone of GoPro Hero 9. Now I will connect Saramonic Bink 500 wireless microphone by using 3.5mm microphone adapter. After you update your firmware of Hero 9 to the new version 1.5, you will be able to use GoPro 3.5mm external microphone adapter as stated here under performance improvements. After updating the firmware, connect your 3.5mm external microphone adapter and turn on your GoPro Hero 9. Swipe down to the settings on GoPro Hero 9 and then swipe left and then go to preferences. Swipe down until you see the mouse and then press on the mouse. Here you will see microphone options. Since I am using an external powered microphone, I will choose powered microphone option instead of standard microphone. And now I can use my own microphone. Let's start again. Now I am using 3.5mm GoPro external microphone adapter and I am using Saramonic Bink 500 wireless microphone. So sound and video recording by using external microphone by using 3.5mm microphone adapter of GoPro. So guys, I hope you like this video. As you see, 3.5mm external microphone adapter is now compatible with GoPro Hero 9. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos coming soon in my YouTube channel. Bye bye.